Hello friends, from this tutorial we will start in detail tutorial on Photoshop. Today, we will learn Move Tool. Move Tool is used for moving images, object, shapes, and selection from within document or outside the document. Move Tool shortcut key is V, or you can select this from Open Image. You can see images open in another tab. If you want this image into your document, you can select Move Tool and drag and drop this image into your document. For scale or rotate the image you can use Transform tool. For that press Ctrl+T, shortcut key. Do not worry about the transformation tool. My next tutorial will be on transformation tool. Do not take stress to how to use this tool. Next use of Move Tool is, if you drag image or anything without key, Photoshop will duplicate that thing for you. You can see Move Tool icon change in selection area. That's it friends, I hope you all understand this tutorial on Move Tool. If you like it, please subscribe and share this tutorial with your friends for more upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching.